In this video, I will show you how to fix game crash after new update of FC25, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. If you are dealing with a game crash, just follow these simple steps, so you should be good to go to the step 1. Close the game if you are on PC or console. Close the game entirely on a console. You can also shut down the console for a clean reset. Step 2. Use the FC web app on PC. Don't use the web app on your phone or companion app. For this, instead, open the FC web app on your PC. Step 3. Delete the all squares. Once logging to the FC Web app, go to the square section on the left hand side. Click on the square management. Here you will see all your squares. Create a new square by clicking on the create name. Anything you like after creating a new square, go to the squares management. Set the entirely create square at active step. So now the fourth step is delete all squares. Select the all squares that are no longer needed and click delete on the right hand side. Confirm that you want to delete them by clicking OK. Step 5 is log out of the web app once you are done managing your squares. Go to the settings in the bottom left corner, click sign out. Step 6 is launch the game after logging out from the FC web app. Launch FC25 on your console or PC, check if the crashing issue is resolved, and that's it, you are done.